Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, Sobat Getris. Now I will teach all of you how to find maybe some font. Yeah, if we don't know the type of this font. For example, I have logo and its typography. Yeah. After this, I'll take the typography first, the text, the font, and convert. Yeah, and export. Yeah, export to JPEG file. Yeah, export to JPEG file. Export to JPEG file. After that, yeah. After that, we must go to. Okay, we must go to. Wait, I will check. Okay, you can type find font from address bar Google. Google Internet. In Google, I will try to this site. Yeah, what the font finder by image. Look like this. You can upload the image. That image include the font. After that, you will find. Type your font. Here I get the font. The name is Hobo Regular. Yeah. After that, we can open Google again, and you type font Hobo Regular. Yeah, I will find this site Hobo Regular. After that, we can download the Hobo Regular. Yeah, if the phone have download, yeah, you will be installed on your phone system. Yeah, Windows subfolder phone, and then you can right click. Yeah, and then paste and install it by self. Yeah, here I have installed name GH Hobo. Yeah, here. Yeah, Hobo Medium. Yeah, Hobo Medium. Yeah, Hobo Medium. Okay, now I will try to use on my Corel. Okay, yeah, I will type maybe IKPMB. Okay, KPMB like this, and we can check the okay, it's great, yeah, it's great, and you can put the font look like this, yeah. If you want to plagiarize, you can lock object. After that, you can plagiarize the font like this, yeah. Okay, I think it's enough. Then I tip the ikatan. Memberi Malaysia. Okay, then celebrate Obo. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, okay, I think it's great. You can move this like this, and then you can align the font. Okay, great. Okay, that's our lesson today. The next lesson, I will teach all of you how to plagiarize this logo. Okay, thank you for watching. I will teach all of you next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.